Understanding the process of filing a patent. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to decipher the meaning and usage of the phrase, file a patent. If you're interested in inventions, ideas, and legal protections, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn about this important process that turns an idea into a protected asset. When someone says they want to file a patent, they're talking about submitting a formal application to a government body. This application is a request for exclusive rights to an invention or idea. Patents are legal documents that grant the inventor control over who can use, sell, or manufacture their invention for a certain period. Filing a patent is crucial for inventors because it protects their ideas from being used without permission. It's a way to safeguard the time, money, and effort invested in developing an invention. With a patent, inventors can legally enforce their rights if someone tries to steal or copy their invention. The process of filing a patent can be complex, but let's break it down. 1. Document your invention. Keep a detailed record of your invention's development. 2. Make sure your invention qualifies. Not all ideas can be patented. It must be new, non-obvious, and useful. 3. Conduct a patent search. Check if there's already a patent for an invention like yours. 4. Prepare and submit your application. This includes detailed descriptions, drawings, claims, and an abstract. 5. Work with patent examiners. Respond to any questions and provide additional information if required. While it's possible to file a patent on your own, it's often advisable to seek the help of a patent attorney. These professionals specialize in patent law and can help navigate the complexities of the patent application process. And that's a wrap on filing a patent. We hope this video has illuminated the steps and importance of protecting your innovative ideas. Keep inventing, and don't forget to protect your inventions with a patent. Until next time, happy learning!